So, some of you that have been following me for a little bit know that recently I got into a motorcycle accident, which rendered my ZX6R inoperable. I broke the foot peg on the other side, as well as the rear set that goes along with it. The fairings are all jacked up, and it's just a mess. It was rendered to total loss by insurance. They paid out, got parts and stuff coming on the way. Actually, I don't have parts on the way. I have the parts here, at least some of them. Still waiting on my subframe and fairing kit, which I had to get refunded, and I need to go purchase a new fairing kit because the one that I purchased was going to come like 2 months from now. Really not into waiting, but this accident kind of like really jacked me up, like mentally. It was kind of rough not having my motorcycle, not being able to go out and do the things that I like to do. Tried to shift gears a little bit, but it worked for a little while. But we got parts, and we're gonna go ahead and start the rebuild process. There she is. He flipped, the seat made impact, and that popped off, cracked the seat locking mechanism. And then if you can look and kind of tell, my rear subframe is a little crooked, so I'm pretty sure that's cracked or bent somewhere in there. That's where it made impact with the ground or the lady's car. And then the rear set here, the peg is completely gone. The bracket is broken right there. So I got replacements for that. Woodcraft rear set, and then rear fairing scuff there. And then like that. There's that. That's really what bothers me. If that wasn't there, I could have just went and just replaced the rear sets and gone out after that. But since we're gonna go ahead and redo everything, might as well do it the right way. And then the windshield, my zero gravity windshield broke. But she's not terribly bad, but it needs work. So we're probably not going to get it all done today. Definitely not going to get it all done today because can't put the windscreen on, but we got the zero gravity Corsa windscreen for the ZX6R, the Midivac automotive bleed kit, Motul 600, racing brake fluid, and front Spiegler braided lines. And then I've got the Woodcraft rear sets in MotoGP orientation, or GP shift orientation. So we'll be probably installing those, maybe get into the brake lines today. I'm not sure, but so stick around.